Google also has the option for adding a document outline to the file. If I want to add a document outline or to display the document outline, I'll click on Tools, click on Document Outline, and it will pop up from the left side of the menu. This is a really good feature because it allows the ability to create a regular document, but then also to automatically create a document that allows the user to be able to go to certain parts that are relevant to them at that time. If I click on the title and change it from normal text to title, we'll see that it becomes large and the title is here on the left. I may want this to be a subtitle. If I click on normal text, I can make it a subtitle there. If I go to the next line and I want to name this as the first heading for that section, it will bring up the options there in the outline for as well. By clicking on the style, it will appropriately change the font and text to represent what it should be. I'll do a couple of more so that you can get the idea of what we're doing. As you can see, I've chosen different types of headers. It has given the appropriate look that it needs and put them correctly in the right format for the document outline. By clicking on the different areas, it will take me to that part of the document. You'll also note that any text that is typed as normal text here is excluded from the document outline.